What would it be like to create a production system in which humans work hand in hand with intelligent systems? To create unique products with unprecedented levels of efficiency, accuracy, and flexibility. Welcome to the Smart Factory.
The
automotive world is changing massively, and we at Porsche are playing a huge role in shaping it. Here in production, we have a crystal clear strategy. It has three elements. First, we want to be networked, digitalized. Second, we want to be efficient and use as few resources as possible. And the third element is sustainability. In short, smart, lean, and green. Modern technology is revolutionizing how products are manufactured. We'll take you on a journey to the future of production. Porsche is already putting it into practice in Zuffenhausen and Leipzig today. Combining advanced technology with human expertise creates extraordinary benefits. In the Smart Factory, we seamlessly integrate automation solutions, artificial intelligence, and networked systems in the production process. Intelligent production optimizes resources, improves quality, and increases efficiency. And this also benefits the employees. Real-time data analytics enable precise adjustments and quick responses. This way, we minimize waste and maximize productivity. The Smart Factory not only reduces the environmental footprint, it also strengthens competitiveness and innovativeness. That's why we have been working intensively on our strategy together with Porsche Consulting. The combination of operational excellence and experience, coupled with expertise and also a forward-looking viewpoint, gives us the ability to take the crucial next step.